Well, I know it's the first day of the new year, normally a holiday, but my wood boiler is leaking water. We can't just let that keep going, so I gotta dig in and figure out what's going on. And I have two helpers here, Mocha and Maggie. We gotta figure this out, don't we? Oh, what a mess. So here's the wood boiler torn apart, and I found the leak. So here it is. You can see that little spray of water coming right out. Now the problem is it's full of water, and I won't be able to weld with the water spraying through. So I asked my brother-in-law what to do, and he suggested I hook a vacuum up to it. So that's what I've done. I'm going to turn the vacuum on and see what happens. So just like that, the vacuum's stopped the leak. So I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to weld it up. When I was welding it, there was quite a hole that developed. So it means there was a whole section in there that was weak, and I just had to keep welding out and out and out till I got to solid metal. Hopefully it'll last a few years yet. All right, so welding is complete. Unfortunately, I thought it was videoing me there, and it wasn't. And I don't really want to set the welder all back up just to do the video. But welding is complete, and the fire's going, and we're going to check and see. But so far, so good. I just don't know how I could farm without knowing how to weld. Now, maybe that's because I use a lot of old equipment and secondhand stuff. But there again, I don't have the money for all the new stuff. So welding is just something I'm really thankful that I learned how to do before farming.